Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. At the moment it's on sat-nav. We've got here, this is kind of the smart control. You can knock this up and knock it down. We'll just go back at the top there. That's the normal. Let me just see, if I just go back here, go to start, then you get this screen. That's by pressing star there. You can also move about using this kind of mouse, which is hard work, especially if you're driving. So onto telephone, and we'll click select telephone. To return to navigation, please confirm Navi. I don't want to, I want telephone. So we'll click on there, telephone. Now then, it's defaulted to connect device. That's what I want to do. So connect device. Search for phones, search via telephone. I want to search for phones. Now I go into settings and I want Bluetooth, and then I'm going to be watching out at the bottom. There's start search. I click on start search, searching for Bluetooth phones. When I first got in here, I thought, well, I haven't got a BT account. Mine's with EE. It's not going to find it. There you go, Barry's iPhone here. So I'm going to turn that down until I get to Barry's iPhone, then click on it. Bluetooth pairing request 059509. Does passkey match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it. That's just showing the sat-nav's come up on my phone. That's always a good sign that it's paired. But let's just have a look for Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it done.